EYC stands for Impact Youth Coalition, and it is our expectation that we will come together as one community with many churches.
I am so excited to come to the EYC conference in January. I think it's going to be full of knowledge. I think it's going to be enriching.
I am like pumped, really I am, because I'm always looking, I'm always like, Lord, I need a leader, because leaders need leaders, mentors need mentors.
Impact Youth is geared for youth pastors and youth leaders. So if anyone in the community or any local churches have any youth pastors, youth leaders, or volunteers for your youth ministry, we encourage them to come.
You have people that you can talk to in your church, in your community, but everybody's not familiar with your struggle. So if I can leave here, or you can leave here with the opportunity to walk out of here more confident because there are people that deal with the same issues that you deal with, that gives you a different outlook.
What I plan to gain from the EYC conference is different teaching strategies, different ideas on how to have a higher level of energy.
I'm looking for ways to engage the children, ways to help them retain the information and keep the children and their parents excited.
When I know that the teachers who are instructing my children are getting the training and getting the tools and just learning, they're networking and becoming more knowledgeable, and that just means that they're excited and they appreciate their craft and they want to take it to the next level.
Areas that will be covered will be gaining momentum, how to encourage and how to inspire, how to teach your lesson plan, how to break it down to whatever level you're on.
I think that a curriculum, it could be very effective, especially when you have the right tools to be able to reach those individuals.
It is important for the teachers to have the training because they just don't have the knowledge on their own. And so when they have people who are able to teach them new innovative ways, that way they can affect the people that they're teaching.
Everybody has different ideas and we can bring them to the table and be more effective.
What it takes to compel youth to get excited about their walk with Christ, what it takes to attract youth to ministries, what it takes to develop youth as they grow in their walk with Christ.
I thought, why not build a community of youth pastors and youth leaders so that we can come together, because someone may have a better idea than we have. Someone may have a better solution. And so I thought that it would be a great idea to bring all youth pastors and youth leaders together quarterly so that we can impact our communities.
Hey guys, Impact Youth Coalition invites you to join us for our Empower You workshop, Saturday, January 20th, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Visit www.impacthearts.com for more details.